The Cassini spacecraft was launched in 1997, which was a mission that was sent particularly to study Saturn and its neighboring moon. The Cassini-Huygens mission traveled for 7 years to reach the ringed planet and its 62 moons. Its arrival in 2004 started the beginning of an extraordinary 13 years of discovery, beginning in 2005 with the Huygens lander setting down on the moon Titan, which is one of the most Earth-like worlds with its own weather, climate and geology. Cassini also revealed the magnificence and uniqueness of each moon. This spacecraft discovered the icy plumes on Enceladus's south pole, which indicated an underground ocean, which is considered as one of the most promising places to search for life in our solar system. Cassini observed vast storms in Saturn's atmosphere and brought us closer to understand the complex gas giant planet. Unfortunately, on September 15, 2017, the spacecraft went out of fuel and plunged into Saturn's atmosphere and ended its mission. But before getting destroyed, it took some remarkable images of the gas giant planet. So stay tuned with us to know more about the breathtaking last images taken by Cassini spacecraft. There are many images that have been wandering in tweets, proclaiming that these were the final images of the spacecraft before it got destroyed. But they were truly a manifestation of an artist which showed the clouds of Saturn when it got destroyed into its atmosphere. But the spacecraft's real last image came from a distance of 394,000 miles away as it made its final approach. Before getting destroyed, the spacecraft took some images of the gas giant planet, its huge moon, Titan and Enceladus. The cameras on Cassini were mounted in such a way that the spacecraft itself couldn't be seen. You don't generally want the high-gain antenna blocking your view of some important feature on a moon or in the rings of Saturn. Because the spacecraft was very close to the planet, it probably won't have taken this fine images of the giant planet when it entered the atmosphere of Saturn. But what were the real last images of the Cassini? This was the final image taken by the spacecraft before it fell into gaseous atmosphere of Saturn. This shows a region of Saturn on the planet's night side and includes the part where Cassini fell in. This image was taken from a height of 634,000 kilometers, and you can see some of ghostly faint inner rings near the bottom. Many other images were also taken by the spacecraft some days or hours before it got destroyed. Saturn have a haze of gaseous atmosphere that looks like the cloud of storms on the giant planet. The visible and infrared mapping spectrometer took an image at a wavelength of 5 microns, which shows that heat leaking up from the interior of Saturn, while the cold clouds above it blocked that light, so they appear dark, silhouetted against it. Whatever the cause of its destruction was, the images that we got from Cassini were remarkable. And we can still get valuable information from them.